In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an account in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, is open MT5. Then you want to go to the top left and click on File, and then click on Open an Account from here. Then you want to find your broker in here. I do have a lot of different videos teaching you how to do this for different specific brokers if you are interested, so go watch those up. And of course, here, when you find it, you want to click on it and click on the Next. Now, if it's not on the list, you want to search for it up top, click on Find Your Company, wait for a few seconds for this to load, and you should be able to see it. Click on your broker and then Next, and then click on Connect with an existing trade account. In here is where you have to type in your login number. Usually it's going to be a number, and then the password, which usually is a combo of numbers, symbols, and letters. And then here, of course, you can select your server, which is going to be provided to you together with your credentials whenever you receive the credentials for sign in MT5. And then from here, you want to switch. I'm going to switch to a demo and click on Finish. Whenever you do this, you'll hear that beep sound in the back, and that means you've successfully connected and added your account in MetaTrader 5. Top left is going to tell you what account you're currently in, and that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.